In this video I'm going to show you how you can set a blurred background. So if you're making a video or taking a photograph, people can't see the background where you are. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe at the end. Watch the playlist to see more videos about WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. In your WhatsApp chat, whoever you're chatting to, go down to the bottom and select photo or video. Then go across to there and tap on the wand. You can select background and then blur. Here you will see me move my camera around so the background's blurred.